everyone, today is March 16th and it's the end of the Steampunk Adventures Challenge hosted by Polly at Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafting. Now, it's the 16th, but today I'm doing the 14th because I'm a little bit behind and I need things to dry before I do the 15th and the 16th. So I got things done for the 15th and 16th. I just have to put them in the book, but I can't until this dries. So for the 14th, the prompt was the letter S and baker's twine, and I had no idea what to do at all. So I just got the baker's twine and made an S. I mean, it's terrible. You know, what are you going to do? When you just don't know what to do, you don't know what to do. I put some of the gears in here too. I like that one. And I put one of my Tim Holtz paper dolls. I love the men that he has in the packs. I love the guys with the big mustaches and the hats. And I used some stickles around the S. It was fine. And then when I inked over it, then you could start to see white. And I was like, well, why did that happen? Because it was just weird. So then I tried to put some of that to hide the white. And you can't see the white on my end. Maybe very little right there, but on your end, you're seeing it a lot. That's not what I see. I don't see all that. So I'm waiting for this to dry so that I can use the other 2 pages, but I wanted to do all the videos all at once, but I'm not going to be able to do that unless I wait till, like, I don't know, a few days from now, and I don't really want to do that either. So what I did for the background was I got was it by Tim Holtz? What is that? Rusty Hinge. And I put that down, but then I got I got a napkin and I went over it like this just to even it out. And then I went back in and just spritzed some, as you can see, like all over there. I wanted to give it some texture too. So that's what I did with that. And then I just put some of the stickles just to give it a little bit of sparkle because I like sparkle. And that's pretty much it for today. So tomorrow is going to be washi tape and a steampunk ATC. And then day 16 is going to be an animal and a cupcake liner. Now, I had to go to Dollar Tree and get cupcake liners because I had none at the house. And then I was like, well, maybe I can make my own cupcake liner, you know. And I watched some videos and I was like, oh, forget it. I'll just go get my own liners. So today I did get some cupcake liners and I started working on that prompt as well. And that's really all for right now. Somebody, I don't know who, somebody gave me this wax seal with clock and gears. So I'm going to use that too, I think, in this challenge somewhere tomorrow or on the 16th. Not sure yet. But definitely that needs to go in there too. So that's what I have for today. And then hopefully the next few days the challenge will be, it'll be completed. Even though it was supposed to be done by today. Somehow I got distracted and am a little late with the prompts. So, but that's that. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.